Oh my God. Jessica, I don't know if I should cry or grab a sledgehammer. This place is a hot mess. I mean, look at this place. What am I supposed to do with this?
Girl, I am not going to lie to you. This is a project. But you're TT. You can make miracles out of Dollar Tree items and cardboard. You totally got this.
Miracles. Jessica, this is not no room in a box or a diorama or whatever. This is real life. I left California for this. I could have stayed in Fresno where at least my life had AC and a working Starbucks within 2 miles.
Oh my God, girl, if you don't cut that out like right now, because period, Fresno was not going to give you this opportunity. You was not going to be able to come up on any land like that. That was not going to drop a business in your lap. You know how expensive it is out there. And just think about it. Your name on the front of this building, TT's Boutique or whatever, it has a nice ring to it.
Gabby, where the hell your ass been at? And why do you look like that? You were supposed to meet me up here like 30 minutes ago.
Now, hey, cousin.
Girl, don't hate cousin me. Y'all must have got real faded out last night because you looking a hot mess. Look at your hair. What is wrong with your hair?
Lord have mercy. Why is it so bright in here? I mean, TT, I love you. I'm here. You know what I'm saying? It's just, ain't no Uber out here. I had to get a ride with my neighbor, Bernice. And girl, her truck smelled like fried chicken and regret. But I'm here. That's what matters. Don't act like you ain't happy to see me, TT. I'm here. And that's what matters the most. Look, I know that you're a little bit overwhelmed. It is a hot mess in here. And it's been a while since anybody been in here. But Aunt Willie had this pop in back in the day, girl. And I know you can do it.
You always been down with your big cousin.
Tiara, you are not going to fail. You're my best friend, and I have total faith in you. Girl, I would have not traveled over 2,000 miles halfway across the country to start a whole new life. First of all, you told me it was going to be super hot guys down here, so I'm expecting to see that cornbread fat. But come on, girl. You are the Mocha Martha Stewart.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed.